And other members will follow as I call their names. You may be seated.
And you are part and parcel of it. What you represent here today is the conscience of our nation. What you have been assigned to do is to promote and stabilize the conscience of this country, to be fair, diligent, committed, and patriotic. In a nation that needs its own people, there's no good thing that we have that is better than our people. We have the human resources. We have the ability, the capacity, and the endowment from God to build our country. We must at each time ask ourselves, what is our own contribution to the development and growth, stability, and unity of this country. If I can borrow from John F. Kennedy, who has the Americans, and I'm asking you to ask yourself, not all the time, what can this country do for you, but what you can do for the country to make it greater. Now that you are being inaugurated, to reflect the federal character, the complexity, the diversity of this country. It's all in your hands. And I say, God will continue to guide you on the critical assignment that you are upon. God bless you, and God bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Mr. President. Alhaji Abdullahi Aminu Tafi, Honorable Nnoy Nkechi Gloria from Anam, Edenin Lovetta Idisi from Delta State, Barrister Nduka from Ebonyi State, is from Jigawa State, Ruth Jumai Ang
we thank Mr. President again for finding us worthy of this huge assignment. As you are aware, the Federal Character Commission was formed by patriotic Nigerians who believe that there should be a body to ensure equitable distribution of every good thing, and Nigeria has good things in abundance. But it must go round every nook and cranny of Nigeria to engender inclusivity so that everybody will know that Nigeria is theirs and they will own the country. So what Mr. President told us is just to remind us of what the Act has mandated us to do, and we are fully ready to do it. By the grace of God, at the end of this tenure, every Nigerian will own Nigeria.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations.